your day, start your day, whatever time it may be, late start to the vlog. Now, today we have something pretty interesting going on. We got Joe POV here, man. Now, we are going to be linking up with an out-of-town Hellcat. We ran this Hellcat last year.
Flashback.
But he's got some work done to it. I believe it has a cam and some weight reduction. Both of us actually ran it. So I'm gonna rerun him. My boy in the Hellcat as well that I raced this weekend. We're both gonna get some runs in against this Hellcat from out of town. I think it's gonna be pretty interesting. This Hellcat is manual too. You don't normally see manual Hellcats, and the word on the street is that the manual Hellcats are a little bit faster. So hey, we'll see, man. We'll see. Will he get his lit back? We'll see. It'd be kind of badass to see a fast-ass manual Hellcat. I don't know who Brandon's gonna run tonight. You might run the Hellcat. Are you running the Hellcat too?
If he wants to, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so yeah, fuck it. You might as well. It's a Hellcat. Hell yeah. Just a half a tank right now. Yeah, we're gonna pull up race weight. We're gonna pull up race weight.
One eternity later.
All right, we just got back. A little quick run against this Cammed Hellcat. Sounds amazing. Got the little rerun in. They going crazy with this music here, man. Oh man. Woo. Whipple 650. How'd your run go?
It was good. I get a third gear.
You did a third gear hit?
I did third gear. I didn't have
them semis, man.
Yeah, I know. Well, I was just like, I want to do a second, but I was like, bro, it's just a fun run anyway.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
So I don't really care.
Yeah.
We're just bullshitting out here.
Yeah. Put you 500 out. That's for 97. I don't know what music they playing. Yes, sir. I'm telling y'all, man, with the 650s, I think the Whipple is the best route as of right now. Unless you get a high quality turbo kit, got the boost controller. I'm talking about AMS 2000 with the onboard air, the CO2. I think the Whipple is still the best as of right now. That's coming from somebody who has an ESS on the Shelby GT350. If I had a 1080S 650, I'd probably just go get a Whipple. No bullshit. Whipple 3.5 E85. Call it a day. Once that transmission is built, go down to the 325, or just send it with the 325. Homeboy did for a while, and then he pulled it back up. And when he gets the transmission, you can go ahead and turn it back up. But whew, them Whipples, man, they're the real deal. This Hellcat's nice. I like this manual Hellcat. You don't really see Hellcats like this manual. This is the only manual Hellcat I know of. Badass.
A few moments later.
race. Good race. I told you I'd throw fifth if that shit was close. All right, we got another run. Badass run with the Hellcat. He banged his gears a little bit better. This thing is fast, y'all. Manual Hellcat. I told y'all, man. The manual Hellcats, they faster than autos, which doesn't make sense. But the manual Hellcats, I'm telling you, man, they're definitely quicker than the autos and the right hands. I think it's the gearing. The gearing is longer, it's better. So moving out. All right, back on my side of town. Great night. I ain't gonna lie, great night. Cammed Hellcat called me out, wanted to get a rerun. Definitely fast, man. The manual Hellcats 100% are faster than the autos when set up properly, from what I've experienced, for sure. Now I think I'm gonna go out again this weekend because it is streetcar takeover on the 110, and then after that I think that will be the last outing on the 110, and then we're gonna upgrade some things and go back to the 105. Damn. And then go from there. But all the runs recently on the 110 have been like super close. Super close. Definitely some faster cars out this year so far compared to last year. Way faster cars. And I've ran like damn near everybody already. The remaining cars like in this power range, because I don't know exactly how much it makes with the Grip Tech pulley and the green belt, but I know it's not over 900 SAE smoothing 5. It's probably realistically high 8s, but STD it definitely will be 900. It runs the same as it did on the standard ESS 110 pulley. So these races are pretty fucking close, y'all. They're, as you've seen, they're pretty close. They're very close. I think those are the best runs in all reality. For sure. But we're definitely gonna go turn the car back up because people are getting faster out here, no cap. That is the truth though, man. It's insane because when I moved to Texas, I was like, yeah, people are lying when they're saying, you know, you need at least 900 horsepower. Okay, yeah, they definitely weren't, because this is like the standard now for me. Like 900 in a manual car, fuck. You're gonna have some door-to-door race. That's crazy though, bro. Like 900 horsepower, everything is door-to-door. What the hell? I take this shit back to Chicago, I'm probably putting belt to ass on like 90% of the cars, but damn. Everything is truly faster in Texas, let me tell y'all. Let me tell y'all. I ain't gonna gut this car though, just the rear seat delete only. But yeah, I'm super happy. Badass races. All right, it is the next day, back at the casa. I will keep you guys up to date if I'm gonna be going to Streetcar Takeover this weekend. I haven't fully decided if I'm going to enter into the roll race class. I would like to have the car turned up on the 105mm pulley, at least for that. Obviously, that is not going to happen. And on top of that, the weather is looking kind of inconsistent. It's supposed to completely storm on Friday, and then on Saturday, I don't know if the track is going to be dry. It should be, because it is going to be sunny, but the weather is going to significantly drop. Like it's almost 100 degrees right now, and it's going to be going down to 50 at night on Saturday, which doesn't make sense whatsoever. So I don't know if it's going to be worth going out there and absolutely just not get anything accomplished. So I'll keep you guys up to date. If you're going to Streetcar Takeover in Dallas, let me know down in the comment section. And as always, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications, and stay safe out there, y'all. Deuces.